Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Neeraj Naktiwala, and today I have a video on Reliance Industries with my technical analysis, which is updated 12th March. Uh, you might also want to refer to my previous technical analysis video of Reliance Industries, which I had published on this channel on 20th of January. That is 20 Jan, when Reliance had declared its result. You might want to refer to that video also, so you'll get a better understanding of what I'm going to talk about now in this video. There are a lot of finer aspects which I will talk in this video, and I'm also going to talk about what is the possible outcome in the next few weeks on your Reliance price, purely basis the technical levels. I do not have any insider information, nor am I someone who has got any vested interest in Reliance Industries share price, nor am I a SEBI registered or any kind of a financial analyst. I am a pure trader who has been trading with his own money for the past 20 years now. And this all is, my sharing of knowledge basis my own experience over the years. So let's begin. So this video is after the close which we had seen on Reliance, which was on the 10th of March, and I'm going to give you my views based as my observations of the last few months, which I have seen Reliance. In fact, a year of observation in Reliance, and request you to please hit the like and subscribe to my channel. I'm sure you will gain a lot of insights if you watch the complete video, and it doesn't cost you anything to hit the like button. It just gives me a little motivation to continue making informative videos like this. So request you to please make a little effort, take a little effort, and please hit the like button. As I'm making this video, there has been a lot of mayhem, and across the global scenario, it is already looking like there is a lot of problem going on across banks in US after the SVB bank news which has come out. And I have also mentioned in this chart that on 20th Jan, RIL result was out, which was 28% rise in the net profit. I had also mentioned this in my previous video, and I had mentioned a few levels in that video. So the levels which I had given was that Reliance is hovering in the range of 2818, which it is not able to break out. 2818 is the level which is somewhere over here, which it made somewhere near April of 2022. It made this high. It again tried to come over here, but couldn't break out of this. So this was the ultimate level where it could not cross above this level. I just sustained it for a day or two on this level. I even tried to come near this, but it couldn't break out of this level. So 2816, 2818 was the level which it tried to break out the month of June 2022 for the second time. These are the two attempts after which it has never come till this level, and it has been consistently trying to take support at this level, which is 2369 level that I have mentioned over here. Now, important thing to note is that Reliance was in an uptrend. So let us understand what was the Reliance uptrend for many months. In fact, starting 17th of June 2020, which is after the COVID crash, we saw that Reliance had a steady up move, but it was moving in a range. So it started from 1500 levels, which is somewhere over here. 1500 is the amount which I see over here. Let me make a mark over here so that you can see this. This is the level I'm talking about. This is where the bull run of Reliance started after the COVID crash. Before the COVID crash, it crashed from here. That is on 24th of February. This was the crash level, which was again at the 1500 level. So I am talking from the perspective of the from where the crash started. It started from 1490 to 1500. So we'll take the round figure 1500 from where the crash started. Reliance tried to move up. There was a split, and then after that, there was a dividend. There was A lot of interest shown by Facebook to invest in Reliance. Reliance got in a few investors. A lot of things happened at that time when Reliance and all other companies were selling at a discount at the time of COVID crash. 1500 was the price, and I'm going to talk from that point on. Reliance has shown this particular up move in this channel. So what we are referring to is this is upper band and this is the lower band of the channel. Reliance kind of hovered in this channel for 3 years, and if you refer to my last video, Reliance was stuck in this range. So this range of 2700 to 2800 range. So it got stuck from 20th October onwards. So this is the range I'm talking about, and it was in this range and trading in this range. This became a trading range from 20th of October to around February, 6th of February. This is the trading range, and in that I made a video on 28th Jan that Reliance, if it cannot maintain the make or break level, which I had also mentioned in the video, 2442 was the make or break level. If it cannot maintain itself above 2442, which I had given in 20th Jan video, then it is very unlikely that Reliance will again go back to the earlier heights, because this channel which I am seeing over here was broken once, twice, and it broke for the third time. So after this broke, it came over here. So essentially, this in technical terms is the head and shoulders pattern. Many people might know this. And 2442 was the make or break level. Now, I see this, buying which happened somewhere around 25th November to 29th of November, and that is November 2022. And this was a sudden spike, but this spike was a pump and then there was a dump. There was a pump and there was a dump. There was a pump and there was a dump. So the pump happens for 2 days, but there is a selling of equal or more amount, and that price from which the pump happens is broken up. This is a new behavior that I started observing starting from September of 2021. What I saw is there is a pump, but it just gets sold off. There's a pump, it gets sold off. There is a pump, it gets sold off. So it's a pump and dump kind of a scenario which was going on, and I had also mentioned this in my video. And now I have clearly marked a few levels in my this current video. Request you to please hit the like and subscribe to my channel if you have still not done so. So request you to now make a note of the new levels, which are the levels. 2442 is not come after first attempt, that was 20th Jan. Second attempt, it tried to make 16th February. Third attempt, it tried to make near 6th of March. 3 attempts it tried to make. This level is not come, and now it's trying to go towards the lower side. So what are the lower side levels possible? 2369 was the one support level which is broken. We got a close at 2322 within a time span of 2 days. That is a sell off on 9th of March and then the sell off on 10th of March. Broke this key level, which is 2369 was the key level. Now the next key level is 2274, which I have marked over here with this red line. Once this is gone, Reliance will be clearly in a bearish territory. It will also bring the Nifty down. It will bring a lot of selling pressure in Nifty if this level of 2274 is broken. So where is the support? The final support where anything if happens miraculously is 2180, and also make a note of an important date, which is the month end of March. 30th March is mostly, in my calculation, a very important date by which Reliance can show possibly some kind of a bounce back, if at all it wants to bounce back. That's my calculation. Till 30th March, I plus or minus 1 or 2 days, I think that Reliance should form a newer low. Now, what are the newer lows possible? One possible newer low is 2180. Below 2180, there is a level which is 2036. And another low which it can form is 1867. Please make a note of these levels. in your notes, in your notebooks, wherever you are taking notes about what is a possible price that Reliance will go down to. If you are an investor in Reliance, then my recommendation is that wait for this kind of a technical correction and wait for Reliance to come somewhere in the zone of 1867. That would be a good price to buy Reliance. So 1867 to 1800 is going to be a good price range where you can buy Reliance. And 30th of March, I repeat, is an important date where it's looking like a possible date where some kind of a new low can be formed, plus or minus 1 or 2 days. You can look at it, and if you are an investor, you can think of looking at that particular date and see as to whether Reliance is pausing somewhere and trying to make some kind of an up move. So I would say if you see this kind of a formation, which we had seen somewhere around 30th of January, it paused for some days and then it tried to go up. It paused for a day, but then this kind of an up move is 120 rupees up move. We are not talking about 120 rupee up move. That's okay if you are a trader, but if you are an investor, you want to let it fall till at least 1867, and then maybe after the fall, if it falls till here and then it comes back up, you would get a decent amount of return where Reliance can try to fall till 1867 and make a comeback all the way till 2442 level, which I have marked. According to me, 2442 is still a very, very important level for Reliance Industries. Till it crosses the level, I see it's got a very dim chance of making any new fresh high, let alone 2818, which was near its last all time high, which we saw. The last all time high was 2856.15, which we saw on 29th of April 2022, and it's been almost a 11-month time span, and Reliance has not come to that level. It has been selling off, selling off, selling off, and only selling off. And this entire thing is a sell off that we have seen. There was a buying, sell off, and now it's trying to break this. So, this pattern which we are seeing now is telling me that okay, there could be one attempt if it comes near 2274, 2180, and possibly if it stops at 2180 level, then it could be a technical bounce and it can go up. If it doesn't stop at 2180, it will be a crash till 1867 and then it can bounce from there. These are the two possibilities that I see in Reliance. If you like this kind of a view and the content which I have put up, request you to please hit the like button now. I'm sure you have not yet hit the like button. Please hit the like button now and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Neeraj Niftywala signing off.